Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, again, some renovation is going on in my house, so therefore, I'm not choosing the video, only the audio. Yesterday, US markets closed at all-time high. So, what is the best time to sell the market? When everything is looking good, sell the markets. And that's what happened today. Who would have imagined that Bank Nifty will fall nearly 2000 points from intraday high to low today? On January 17, HDFC Bank result came the day before, so the markets were not happy with the results. So therefore, the Bank Nifty fell 2000 points. So that was understandable. There was a trigger. Today, there was no trigger at all. And in fact, GIFT Nifty was indicating about 150 point gap up opening. And in fact, we gap up open. Then after that, don't know what happened. Markets kept on falling. And the Bank Nifty from intraday high to low, it has fallen nearly 2000 point, same as January 17. But today's sell-off is worse than January 17 sell-off. The reason is that number one, January 17, there was a trigger. And number two, the sell-off was happening only in banking stocks. But today, it is not the banking stocks. It is across the board. And the morning itself, railway stocks started falling 5%, 10%. And then, all the PSU stocks, REC, PFC, Coal India, those kind of stocks. Then after that, PSU banks, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda. So it was a across the board selling, and many mid cap and small cap stocks have fallen 8%, 10%. And I don't know, it has got something to do with the margin call. And because Z Entertainment has fallen nearly 30%, because the Sony has moved away from the merger. But I don't think people will be having so much long positions in Z. So today, everybody is puzzled. Why? What is the reason? And trying to find the reason, could not find the reason anywhere. So there was one news that says, SEBI is bringing in some stricter norms for FPAs regarding the ultimate beneficiary owner from February 1. So many FIIs and many foreign banks were asking for extension of the time. So it seems that SEBI has refused. But even then, like this sudden sell-off is unimaginable. So that is the only word. And what was puzzling? Number one, markets fell after a huge gap up. And number two, the global cues are still good. The globally, I don't find anything wrong. So today, the worst fall started with HDFC Bank. So in the morning, though other banks were okay, the HDFC Bank started falling. And now other stocks, you can say it is just a profit booking, but HDFC Bank is definitely not a profit booking. Say, for example, last year, October end, the Nifty bottomed out at 18,850. So that time, HDFC Bank was around 1500. And today, and HDFC Bank is about 70 point lower than that level. But look at the Nifty, where is 18,850? So we are somewhere around 21,200. So such is the huge underperformance. HDFC Bank Group itself has been underperforming for the last 3 years. So I thought when the market broke out, so they will do well. I do not know how, even the Nifty 25,000, 26,000 call options are trading so actively for the December series. I don't know how markets can go so high without the participation of HDFC Bank. I can understand what is happening in all other stocks. They are just a profit booking. But what is happening in HDFC Bank is not a normal profit booking. So I think it's a delivery based selling. So if it's a normal profit booking, it should not fall so much. But however, other stocks like railway stocks, PSU back, so all these stocks have all run up so much in the last few months. So we can say those things as a profit booking. So anyway, after the markets closed, Axis Bank result has come, and people say Axis Bank ADR is down, but Axis Bank ADR is not a very liquid one. So it's a totally illiquid one. It is not trading in US. It is trading only in UK, and where the liquidity is very very poor. Moreover, today's fall, I think so those Axis Bank thing would have been factored in. So I don't see. So we need to see FII data. So let me check the FII data whether it has come. So yeah, yes, FII's data has come. So FIIs have sold only for 3,000 crore. This is just nothing compared to the 10,000 crore which they sold on 17th and 18th, I think, if I'm not wrong. So today, I think, it is just because of, gamma effect. So that's what I'm thinking. So we need to see tomorrow if there is any recovery. But the fall was so severe and people started selling call options. Even 21,200 call option is being added heavily. So I think now 21,400 itself will become very difficult. And now today, technically, market has become bearish. I do not know because normally I'm looking for technically bullish or bearish along with the global markets. But now the US markets is trading at all-time high, and now Nifty is already down nearly 700, 800 point, and technically is bearish. So definitely this is not the time to take a bullish view, but at the same time, it's not a time to take a bearish view also, just because of the global cues. So who knows tomorrow? In fact, in the month of January, there were two times intraday market has become bearish, but on a closing basis, it closed bullish. But today is the first time, both intraday as well as positionally, the markets have become bearish. So for me, I would say this is a clearly a confused signal. So that's what I can say. So if today's sell-off is, is overdone, and because there was no corresponding huge selling by FII, so tomorrow markets may try to recover, but I will become bullish only if Nifty closes above 21,470. So that is around 21. You can say, because the technical which I'm following is a dynamic one. So it may not be 21,470. So it may be 21,400. So I'll give you a clear picture tomorrow morning. Okay, so now, like, because my house is all over the places now, so therefore I'm no mood to check all those things. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.